Whenever manipulators want you to do something, and if you say no to them, they get very upset and angry. You have to know this before you even start this practice that we are talking about, okay? That's their psychology. Their psychology is they want to control you. They want you to say yes to whatever they say, whatever drama. When if you say no, their real side comes out. It's like their devil side comes out, their demonic side comes out, and they're like, what? What do you mean? And they may do different things that may make you feel that it's your problem. They may cry, they may shout. So that's their psychology, because they want you to say yes, even though their behavior is they get emotional, or they are getting very angry or something, okay? You cannot change them. But what you can change is you can change your attitude towards them. And by you being raised as an independent person, and all of a sudden they're telling you, hey, here's the jail, go in this jail and stay in it. You don't want to stay in that jail. That's your behavior, because that's what you've been living. You've been living a free life. And your birthright is to live a free life. So whenever someone says something to you, always remember the only way you can stop reacting is first focusing on your breathing. Like, let's say they said something so crazy, you're like, take a breath and then say, oh, I just want to clarify. What do you mean? I just want to clarify. What do you mean? This puts a pause. You have to practice this, of course. You have to practice this with the things whenever she taunts you. Instead of you reacting and getting upset, you can say, oh, why? What's your concern? You can be like, breath in, breath out. I just want to clarify. What do you mean? And she'll say, oh, no, and then she'll say, like, open up a dialogue instead of reacting, right? That will give her the chance to reiterate what she's trying to say. And it will give you a chance to really understand what she's trying to say. You'll be like, what do you mean? That's all you have to say. That's your first step. Second, whenever someone is trying to control you, even though they're control freaks and they have all this fear and stuff, whenever you're gonna give in yourself more to them, you're adding more of them to keep doing and repeating their behavior. So what you're doing by giving in is not helping. This doesn't help control freaks. What helps control freaks is say the word no, no, and walk away. Walk away. You don't want to stay in the zone of control freaks. Yeah, you think it's going to escalate and a fight is going to happen. It will happen if you're in their environment. It's not going to happen when you walk out. But you stated what you truly want and you walked out, okay? Don't give in to control freaks. The more you give in, like, let it go. Oh, it's okay. She's old, or she's saying this. The more you keep letting go, they think, oh, I can suppress her. I can control her. Control freaks only control people where they know that they can abuse you. When they know that this person cannot be abused, they don't control you. You have to give them that signal. And the only way you can give them that signal is by you being firm in your decision and by you saying no to them whenever they say something that they want you to do. Whenever you're giving in, literally the spiritual meaning of that is you're giving too much of yourself to them. And obviously, when you're giving too much of yourself to them, you're losing you. You're losing yourself. When you lose yourself, that's what's contributing for you to have pain in your body. Pain is a signal that, hey, body, you're not taking care of me, because you're giving yourself to the other person. Because she wants you to do something and you're doing it, and then you're giving yourself away, and that's why you're feeling pain in your body. So imagine this, okay? Your body is flesh bones, right? And I tell you, I want you to do this, but you don't want to do it, but you still do it anyway. Now I'm going to show you a visual. Imagine that you're chopping off your hand and giving it to me. And if you chop off your hand and give it to me, that's exactly how your body feels. It's like a part of you just left you because you did something you did not want to do. You keep giving in, it's been many years, and you give in for multiple reasons. Oh, they're old. Oh, this. Oh, she's a control freak. Let me give in. No. The more you give in, the more she's gonna control. And the cycle will keep going on and on and on. For how many ever years you have been married, has her behavior changed? The answer is probably no. Your behavior probably changed, you're better, but her behavior will always be the same. Her behavior is going to be the same. In little ways, she will try to manipulate and get you to do what she wants to do. That's their way of thinking. You don't need to ask her to change. And that's why, because not even ask, even if you ask her to change, this person is not going to change. So what you need to do is, I need to change my way. And your way should be, I'm not going to give in. Third step, you need to speak what you want. So when you open up a dialogue, give her to explain something. Like she'll be like, I don't want you to go here. Like she'll give her explanation. You just listen, don't say a word, listen, and then speak what you want. You have to speak what you want, because if you're not going to do that, you are the person that's enhancing the behavior.